Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best miter saw crowns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Festool 494,369 Kapex miter saw crown stop. Professional woodworkers seeking precision crown molding cuts will find the Festool 494,369 Kapex miter saw crown stop indispensable. This system's crown stops feature T-nut construction, allowing you to slide and lock them securely while switching between different setups with ease. You'll appreciate how the base extensions connect quickly through V-groove channels on either side of your saw, cutting down on setup time. The integrated T-slots expand your clamping options, letting you use job-specific jigs with Festool FS clamps. When you're working with crown molding, the stop securely holds pieces in their nested position, ensuring consistent, accurate cuts while maintaining workplace safety. Moving on at number 4. We have the miter saw crown stops DW7084 compatible. DEWALT miter saw users looking for precision in crown molding work will find the ByLLNE DW7084 crown stops invaluable. These crown stops fit seamlessly with multiple DEWALT models, including the DW703, DW715, and DWS780, making them a versatile addition to your workshop. You'll appreciate how these 6'1/2x41/2" stops position crown molding vertically against the saw fence, ensuring accurate cuts every time. With a strong 4.7-star rating, users consistently praise their secure fit and effectiveness, especially when working solo. The quick installation and removal process means you won't waste time on setup, letting you focus on your woodworking projects. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DW7084 crown molding stop for miter saws. Seasoned contractors and DIY enthusiasts who frequently cut crown molding will find the DEWALT DW7084 crown molding stop indispensable. This versatile tool fits multiple DEWALT miter saw models, including the DWS779, DWS780, and DW700 series. You'll get two 6'1/2x41/2" crown stops, one for each side, screw knobs, and nut clips for saws without threaded holes. The strong, ridged design guarantees durability and precision while positioning crown molding vertically against the fence. While installation is generally straightforward, you might need minor adjustments for certain models. For the price, you'll get professional-grade performance that rivals more expensive alternatives. At number 2, we have the Bosch Crown Stop Kit for miter saws. Woodworkers tackling crown molding projects will find the Bosch MS1233 Crown Stop Kit an essential upgrade for their miter saw. You'll get left and right crown stops that let you nest molding against the fence without beveling. Compatible with most Bosch miter saw models, including the GCM12SD and CM10GD. The kit's adjustable stops store conveniently on your saw when not in use. While it doesn't come with installation instructions, users report straightforward setup with the included mounting knobs and hardware. With a 4.6-star rating from over 800 reviews, it's proven reliable for precise crown molding cuts. And finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT miter saw crown stops. For anyone seeking professional-grade crown molding results, the DW7084 crown stops deliver exceptional accuracy and ease of use. These sturdy steel stops fit seamlessly with multiple DEWALT miter saw models, including the DW703, DW715, and DWS780. You'll appreciate the straightforward installation using wing nuts into pre-drilled holes, while the compact 8x6x3.19 design won't clutter your workspace. With a 4.7-star rating from over 5,000 users, These stops simplify crown molding positioning compared to traditional jigs. They're particularly efficient for standard crown sizes and can be adapted for other saw brands with minor modifications. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.